Hey, my name is Trey Carter. I am from Alabama, and now I'm currently pursuing my MBA. So, a little bit about my educational background. I have a bachelor's degree in exercise and sports science at CCU. I graduated with 3.72 GPA. I finished within 3 years, so I was really excited about that. I worked hard. I always had classes in the summer, so I was doubling up on classes to try to go ahead and finish as soon as possible. And then I have also have a master's degree in instructional technology through the College of Education here at CCU. That was a very challenging degree. It's something I figured if I'll talk about my future career aspirations, but it was something if I went the high school coaching route, I needed to have my master's in a form of education just in case so I could make more money in certain states. So a little bit of my professional background. I just finished my master's, and I am currently a graduate assistant at the Coastal Carolina University football team. I've been working there since March. I've enjoyed it. It's something that I want to do with my life. It's something that I want to chase. So that'll take us here to my future career aspirations. I want to be a collegiate football coach, preferably an offensive line coach. Is something that I want to do. I'd like to win a national title as an offensive line coach. I just think that's the pinnacle of college football, and I think it's huge to be able to say that you won a national title as a coach. And just something that's important to me is to help every player I meet be a good person and a good player. I want them to be the best person they possibly can off the field, and then on the field, I want them to just be getting after people, giving their all every play for the guy beside them. So my ideal 21st century leader, somebody that treats members of the group with respect and integrity. I mean, there's nothing worse than a power hungry leader that just belittles people all the time. Nobody wants to work for a person like that or win something with a person like that. So I think they should challenge people to be the best versions of themselves, both professionally and personally. The reasoning behind this is I just think that it's very, very important that as humans we maximize our potential in everything we do, because I don't think we're here for no reason. I think you should be here spending your time wisely. I mean, we only get so much time here, and I think you should try to chase dreams while you're here. And then be adaptable. There's a lot of things that's going to happen as a leader, but you have to be adaptable, and you have to be able to make critical decisions very fast. So effective leadership to me, it's getting a group of men or women to work towards the same goal. I mean, it's hard to get a lot of people with the same mindset, like, okay, we have to achieve this. People have their own certain roles, and I think a great leader is able to bring all that together. So building team cohesion, I think great teams, the people like each other in the groups. I just think the most successful businesses, organizations, sports teams are when the leader is really, really, really bought into building team cohesion and building this almost friendship type thing, family type feeling, because then you're willing to work harder for the person beside you. And then achieving the goal that was at stake. I mean, at the end of the day, we're here to win something and achieve something, and we set this goal, and we can measure our success by if we achieve this goal or not.